सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्धिबोध्यं बुद्धिर्गृह्यस्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमस्तोऽन्यत् इति मे निश्चिता मतिः। Page 82, second paragraph, fifth line. Fourth line from the beginning. Ayam iti rajyoho samanyamsha pratyaksha jnanam sarpaha iti tu purvanubhuta sarpasya स्मरणरूपमपरं ज्ञानम् इत्थम् अयं सर्पः इत्यत्र ज्ञानद्वयमस्ति। अत्र अयम् इति रज्जोः सामान्यांशज्ञानस्य पूर्वानुभूतसर्पस्मरणरूपज्ञानस्य च परमार्थत्वेऽपि भयरूपप्रमातृदोषेण तिमिररूपप्रमाणदोषेण च मम ज्ञानद्वयम् अभूत्। तत्रैकं रज्जुसामान्यांश प्रत्यक्षम् सर्पस्मरणरूपज्ञानमपरमिति विवेकः पुरुषस्य नोत्पद्यते। एतज्ज्ञानद्वया विवेकः एव भ्रम इति सांख्याः प्राभाकराश्च वदन्ति। भ्रमोत्पत्तिस्थले च सर्वत्रैवमेव बोध्यमिति चाहुः। In this portion, Nischala-dasa introducing the Akhyati Matam. We have completed Asatkhyaati, Atmakhyati, Anyatha-khyati. Anyatha-khyati of Prachina Nayyayika and Navya Nayyayika. Navya Nayyayika negated the Prachina Nayyayika. So totally 3 errors of perception negated by Akhyati Matam. Akhyati Matam is the fourth one who negates the previous three of them. So Siddhanti has to negate only the fourth Matam, Akhyati Matam. Now the Tattvadrishti, the student, Uttamadhikari, explaining all these Khyativadas to his Guru, what is the Siddhanta, what is your opinion, he is going to ask. So he is only talking about these matams, all Purvapaksha matams. Uttamadhikari Tattvadrishti is talking. So now we are seeing the Akhyati Matam, very, very powerful Matam. This is, what is Akhyati Matam? Acharya says, Nichaladasa says, there are two types of knowledge, but people do not know that there are two types of knowledge. One is Pratyaksha Jnanam, another is Smarana Jnanam. What is Pratyaksha Jnanam? Pratyaksha Jnanam is that Idamamsha Jnanam, Samanyamsha Jnanam. Samanyamsha means general knowledge. What is that Samanyamsha? Ayamiti Rajjoho Samanyamsha Pratyaksha Jnanam. Pratyaksha Jnanam means direct knowledge. Once you see in that semi-darkness, there is something, this is, I am means this is. So this is general knowledge. Samanya Jnanam is called Pratyaksha Jnanam. Pratyaksha Jnanam, I am it is Rajjoho. This is rope, he do not know that is rope. This is, there is something, Rajjoho Samanya Jnana. But he do not know that is Rajju. What he is seeing, this is Rajju only. Rajju means what? Rope. Rope means what? Rope. Okay. Kair. Rope is seeing this is. This is the first knowledge, Pratyaksha Jnana. Then what is the next knowledge? Is Sarpaha iti tu Purvanubhuta Sarpasya Smarana Rupam Aparam Jnanam. This is a snake. Now second knowledge. This is first knowledge, Pratyaksha Jnanam. Then he sees that as snake. Why he sees that? Because he saw real snake in snake park. Snake park he saw a real snake. Now he remembers that snake. Smarana Jnana. That snake park, snake previous experience, he remembers. Remembering knowledge is called Smarana Jnana. Smarana means remembrance. So Smarana Jnanam, how it has come? Purvanubhuta Sarpasya. Purvanubhuta means when he experienced previously. Sarpasya, of that Sarpa, snake. Smarana Rupam, remembering Jnanam is called other knowledge, Aparam Jnanam, second knowledge. This is the first knowledge. This is snake is the second knowledge. So this is in Sanskritam Ayam. Sarpaha, Ayam Jnanam is Pratyaksha Jnanam, direct knowledge. Smarana Jnanam, remembering the snake, remembering snake he sees on this rope. Smarana Jnanam. So that Smarana Jnanam is Aparam Jnanam, the second knowledge. Itham, in this manner, Ayam Sarpaha ityatra Jnanadvayam asti. In this case, Ayam Sarpaha, this is a rope. There two Jnanams are there. Ayam iti Jnanam, Sarpaha iti Jnanam. Ayam iti Jnanam, Pratyaksha Jnanam, Sarpaha iti Smarana Jnanam. Remembering Smarana Jnanam. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we have to see that next portion. Atra ayamiti rajjoho samanyamsha jnanasya. Atra means with regard to this knowledge. What knowledge? Erroneous perception. Erroneous perception of that snake, really it is a rope. That erroneous perception, samanyamsha jnanam, this is samanyamsha, purvanabhuta sarpasmarana rupa jnanasya cha. These two jnanams cha paramarthatvepi bhayarupa pramatru doshena. Once he sees that rope as snake, what happens? Paramartha means here not absolute, but vyavaharik. Paramartha means for him, it is a real snake for that person. Because of semi-darkness, he sees the snake, he sees the rope as snake. That is why paramarthatvepi, for him it is real. What it leads? It leads to bhayam. It leads to bhayam, bhaya, rupa, pramatru dosha. This is the dosha in pramata because of his wrong perception. Pramata means the knower, pramatru doshena means the mistake, the misconception, the superimposition of that person who sees the rope as snake. Who sees the rope as snake. So, bhayarupa pramatru dosha. In that person only there is a dosha. Wrong perception is the dosha in that person. Timira rupa pramana doshena cha. Because of cataract. Timira means there is a eyesight problem for him. He cannot see clearly the rope as rope. Because of drishti, sight is not clear for him. Therefore, he sees that rope as snake, that is called timira rupa pramana dosha. Pramana means eyes. Eyes are pramana, means to see the forms. Because of the eyesight problem, cataract problem or other problem in the eyes, pramana doshena cha. What he says within inverted commas, mama jnanadvaya bhuta tatra ekam rajju samanyam sha pratyaksham. He do not know. I have two jnanams now. One is this knowledge and this is snake knowledge. Two jnanams I have that he do not know. What is that? He says, mama jnanadvayam bhuta. I have two jnanams, two knowledge. What is that? Tatra ekam. Among those two jnanams, two types of knowledge, rajju samanyamsha pratyaksham. So direct knowledge is rajju samanya amsha. Samanya means general. This is. What this is, we do not know. This is first knowledge. Rajju samanya amsha pratyaksham. Pratyaksha means directly he is experiencing. This is. Then what is second? Sarpa smarana rupa jnanam aparamiti. I have second knowledge, that is, this is snake. Snake knowledge. Two jnanams. Vivekaha. This viveka. I have two jnanams. This is and this is snake. Two are there. Purushasya na utpadyate. He do not have that he has got two jnanams. He do not know that he has got two jnanams. Vivekaha na utpadyate. Etat jnanadvaya aviveka. You have to split properly there. Etat jnanadvaya aviveka. Aviveka means not able to discriminate, not able to distinctly see that Ayam Jnanam and Sarpa Jnanam, two Jnanams, Eva Brahma iti. This is called Brahma. Seeing the rope as snake is called Brahma. Seeing the rope as snake is Brahma. Superimposition, delusion, or erroneous perception. Brahma iti. Who says this? Who is this Akhyātivādhīna? Sankhyaha Prabhakarascha. Sankhya people, group of people, and Prabhakara, one type of Mimamsakas. These two groups talk about this. This is called erroneous perception, according to us. This is their theory. Sankhyas and Prabhakara. Vadanti. Brahma utpaddhisthale. When such a type of Brahma rise in that place, Brahma means delusion, confusion, erroneous perception, wrong perception or misconception, or mistaking something as something. Enough of translation. Brahma means confusion, delusion, erroneous perception, misconception or mistaking something as something else. All come under Brahma. That Brahma sthale, in that with regard to this rope snake, sthale cha sarvatra evameva bodhyam. Wherever this Brahma comes, this is natural. Two ajnanams are there for this person. I have two jnanams, that knowledge is not there. Sarvatra means what? You can take other examples. Shell silver. There is, instead of seeing shell, he sees silver. Shell silver. And marriage water, seeing that when 12 o'clock afternoon, mid-noon, he sees that water on the road, tar road, and he sees water there. So that jnanam he do not have. So he sees there water. Another person sees silver upon the shell. Another person sees snake upon the rope. All these are the examples for Brahma. So, therefore he says, Sarvatra evameva. With regard to these all examples, evameva bodhyam. May you all understand, this is called Brahma, erroneous perception. What we are studying? What is the topic? Erroneous perception is what? It is a big subject actually. Acharyas, all traditional acharyas writes books and books on this. Erroneous perception, Brahma Jnana. So, bodhyavyam cha iti ahuhu. They say, who says Sankhyas and Prabhakaras talk about this as Akhyati Matam. Now we will go to the next paragraph. Evam Rajvadau Sarpadi Brahmotpatti Vishaye Mata Chatushtayam Purokta Prakarena Shruyate Tatra Bhavadabhimatam Uttamam Matam Yate Bhavadabhimatam Uttamam Matam Yate Tat Bhavatu Upadeshat Vijignyase Iti Tattva Drishtihi Pritchati. Where Tattva Drishti has started, Atma Khyati, Asat Khyati, Anyatha Khyati, Akhyati. Up to here, Tattva Drishti on and on, explaining about Khyativada. That is why he is called Uttamadhikari. Look into the line. Evam, in this manner. in this manner means as I have mentioned above. 4 vadas. Rajvadau, Rajju, Sarpa, Shuktika, Rajata, Mrigatrishna, Adipadat, all other examples. Adau. Sarpa, Adi, Brahmotpatti Vishaye. Here we have taken the main example, Rajju Sarpa. So, Adipadat you have to include other examples. Sarpa, Adi, Brahma Utpatti Vishaye, with regard to this subject matter of erroneous perception of seeing the snake upon the rope, or seeing the shell, seeing the silver upon the shell, or seeing the water upon the road. Okay? Vishaye, with regard to this subject matter. Mata Chatushtayam Purvakta Prakarena Shruyate. Mata Chatushtayam, all the 4 of them, Chatushtayam means 4 systems of philosophies regarding erroneous perception. Now we are not talking about Vedanta, only erroneous perception. Mata Chatushtayam. Mata means opinion, views, ideas with regard to that subject. Mata Chatushtayam Purvokta Prakarena, as I mentioned above. Shruyate, I heard in this manner. Tatra, with regard to that 4 systems of philosophies with regard to Brahmajnanam, erroneous perception. Bhavad Abhimatam Uttamam Matam Yat. I want to listen from you, O Guru. Tattva Drishti asking. Guru name is not there, we have not mentioned there in this book. So, Bhavad Abhimatam. So, the student must have trust, faith on the Guru. My Guru will teach the best and the first. He is the first, best, all. Like that, unless the teacher, Guru, Sishya has got that conviction, he can never receive knowledge. He can never receive knowledge. And not able to see, can come forward. Please come. So you cannot have that conviction. That is why you see the word, what Tattva Drishti use. Bhavad Abhimatam, your opinion. Yet, whatever is your opinion, tad bhavatu upadesha. Upadesha vijignase. I want to listen from you. Bhavad upadesha. I want to listen from you. This is the parampara, Guru Sishya parampara. Unless the Sishya asks with interest, faith, Guru can never teach. Teach in the sense, unless the listener, the student, the Sishya has to come from within. I am a learner. I want to know the truth. I want to know the reality. That should come from the Sishya's heart, mind. Unless the Sishya is not invoked in the heart, opposite person can never become a Guru. If I sit on this bench, I cannot become a Guru. You have to give that status to me by becoming Sishya, by invoking Sishya in you. This is not here said, I am just telling why Tattva Drishti is asking like that. A Guru is not a Guru by himself or herself. When the opposite person invokes the Sishya in himself or herself, he is my teacher, she is my teacher, she knows or he knows. I want to learn from this person. I want to get knowledge. I want to surrender to this teacher because I want to get knowledge. First I must have desire for knowledge. That's a vijignase he is asking. Jnatum ichhami. I am desirous of knowing. Unless I invoke that jignasu inside, I cannot become a Sishya. Unless I become a Sishya, opposite person cannot become a Guru. However much high pedestal he sits or she is sitting, that doesn't make the person as a Guru. Understand? The Guru status is given by the Sishya. Sishya has to invoke that Jignasa in himself. What Tattvadrishti says? Vijignase. Vijignase, vi dhatu, gna, vi upasarga purvaka gna dhatoho. That desiderative form, Vijignase. I would like to listen from you. I would like to know the truth from you. Vijignase iti tattvadrishtihi pruchhyati. Tattvadrishti is asking. Now what is that Guru is going to answer? We'll read that portion, topic 144 up to 145. What is the topic? Heading is given. Akhyati mata khandanam. Bhaya palayanadyupapan anupapattaya. Bhaya palayanadyupapatya. Rajjau sarpanubhavo vachyaha. He somya brahmasthane asathyatihi. Atmakhyatihi anyatha khyatihi. Akhyatihi ityetate. Mata chatushtayamapi. Yukti virahitam. Purvokta mata chatushtaya vilakshanam. Anirvachaniya khyati namakam. Matantaramasti. Panchamam. Tadevopadeyam. Purvokta asathyati atma. Purvokta asathyati. Ityadi matatrayam. Nopadeyam iti. Akhyati vadina darshitam. Akhyati matamapi. Nopadanam arhatiti. Pradarsyate adhuna. Simple Sanskrit. When I say Nichaladasa, Hindi book. When I say simple Sanskrit, that Sadasiva Brahmendra Saraswati. Sanskrit who wrote that Hindi Vichara Sagara into Sanskrit. Okay? Very simple Sanskrit, beautiful Sanskrit. You can learn even Sanskritam also as you are reading. Now look into the heading, Akhyati Mata Khandanam. After listening from the student, the teacher also how much is listening, you see. From Asathyati onwards, 4 Vadas he presented Guru on and on, listening from the disciple. Uttama Sishya. Therefore he is listening. Akhyati Mata Khandanam. First I have to negate Akhyati Matam. What about other 3 Matams? Because those 3 are already negated by Akhyati Vadi. So he need not do that. That's what he is presenting now. Bhaya palayanadi anupapadya. Rajjau sarpanubhavo vachaha. Rajjau, upon the rope. Rajjau, upon the rope. sarpa, snake, anubhava, experience, vachyaha, to be discussed. Here we have to discuss about this topic, seeing the snake upon the rope. What is this seeing snake upon the rope? And many times we saw that in the semi-darkness, similar to that snake shape naturally happens. That is under discussion here. What happens when person sees the snake upon the rope? Bhaya, first fear comes. Palayana, running. He want to run away. Now our problem is everybody want to run away from corona. Shastra talking about sarpa, bhaya, palayanam. Bhaya, fear, palayana. So 4 points is presenting. Bhaya, palayanam, 2 points comes. Later another 2 points comes. Because of this fear, running nature, anupapatya. With regard to this, anupapatya means taking into consideration that this is snake, taking that rope as snake, and he want to run away because of fear. Hey Somya, oh my dear pleasant uttama sishya tattvadrishti, brahmasthale, Guru is addressing the student, only one student. Okay, 3 students are there. Other 2 of them are sitting backside. Tattvadrishti is the first student. Then comes Manta Adhikari, Madhyama Adhikari, Tarkadrishti. Like that, 3 students are brothers only, all of them. Okay, Tattvadrishti, Brahmastale, Asatkhyatihi, Atmakhyatihi, Anyathakhhyatihi, Akhyatihi, iti etad matam chatushtayamapi yukti virahitam. That's what. All these 4 vadas are illogical. Virahita means without. Without what? Yukti. Yukti means logic. Yukti virahita means there is no logic in these 4 erroneous perceptions presentation. All the 4 views are wrong only. They are illogical. Logically they cannot withstand. Yukti virahitam. Purvokta mata chatushtaya vilakshana anirvachaniya khyatihi namakam matantaramasti panchamam. My dear Tattvadrishti, other than these 4 vadas, whatever said above by you, 4 matams you have mentioned, apart from these 4, there is one more matam view called anirvachaniya khyati. That day I gave the sloka, atmakhyati, anyadakhyati, asathyati, akhyati, panchamam anirvachaniya khyati asti. That 5th one is known as, namaka means called as, known as. Akhyati, anirvachaniya khyati namakam. Namaka means named. That 5th one is named as anirvachaniya khyati, that which is taken by Advaiti, Advaitavadi. First one we saw that Shunyavadi and Kshanika Vijnanavadi. Then we saw that Nayayikas and Puramimamsakas and Sankhyas. But Advaiti talks about another Vada that is called Anirvachaniya Vada or Anirvachaniya Khyati, Khyati Vada. Matantaram asti. Matantaram is a different opinion. Which one is 5th one? Tadeva upadeyam. That alone has to be taken. That alone, upadeyam means that alone has to be taken as a right erroneous perception. Right erroneous perception. Erroneous perception also to be presented logically. All the 4 systems presented illogically. Now I want to present, Advaitins want to present erroneous perception logically. very, very important topic in Advaita Vedanta, Anirvachaniya Khyati. If you understand this, you understand whole Vedanta. That is why you have to be very, very attentive. Very, very attentive where? Here. Now people are very attentive about coronavirus. This much awareness nowhere we find. Because at global level, it is there. That's why I am asking your attention now. Okay. And then last, after the class, I will tell you what are the precautions we have to take for coronavirus. Okay. Okay. Matantaramasti panchamam tadeva upadeyam purvokta asatkhyatim trayam. So asatkhati, atmakhyati, anyathakyati, trayamapi, all those three are na upadeyamiti akhyadivadina darshitam. This fourth one, akhyadivadi, what he said? Don't take all the first three. He already negated that. The fourth akhyadivadi matam negated the first three. Who says that? Author is telling, Nischala is telling. He has already negated that Guru is telling to Tattva Drishti, and it's only Nischala is telling. Okay? Now what I have to do? Akhyati matamapi. Now what is my job? This Akhyadivadi, Prabhakara Sankhya's come under Pradhana Malla. Pradhana Malla terimo champion. Final champion. Finals vandadukapram. That champion, if you defeat him, that's all final. Okay? That is final. Like that, he is a Pradhana Malla, Sankhya and Prabhakara Matam. So they also have to be refuted. Akhyati Matamapi na upadanam arhati. We should not take. It doesn't deserve to be taken. What? Akhyati Matam. So I need not refute first three matams. Now if I refute this matam, enough. Upadanam. Upadeyam or upadanam, both are one and the same. Na upadanam arhati. It is not deserved to be accepted. Pradarshate adhuna. I am going to refute you. Why? I am going to refute the Akhyati Matam, why we should not take Akhyati Matam. I want to tell you how very, very important. After refuting Akhyati Matam only, he goes to that Anirvachaniya Vada of Advaitin. We will read the paragraph, page 83, second paragraph. Akhyati Mataritya Ayam sarpaha iti jnane Ayam iti Rajvatmakadhishtana samanyamsha. Wait. I can't split to middle, okay? If I read full sentence, how can you read? Even I made it to two, okay? I will read slowly. Rajvatmakadhishtana samanyamsha Pratyaksha jnanam sarpayati anyatra purva drishta sarpasya smaranatmaka jnanamiti sthitihi tatra purva drishta sarpasmaranameva angikritya drishta sarpasmaranameva angikritya purvovarti rajjau sarpajnanangikare purovasthita rajjum drushtva पुरुषो भीत्या न पलायेत रज्जुं दृष्ट्वा पुरुषः पलायेत इति तु सर्वजनीनं तस्मात् पुरोवस्थितरज्ज्वामेव सर्पः प्रत्यक्षतया भासते इति न तु पूर्वदृष्टसर्पस्मरणमात्रमिति च वाच्यम् अन्यथा रज्जौ सर्पज्ञानाभावेन पुरुषस्य पलायनादिनोपपद्येत. It's very, very tough to negate Akhyati Matam unless he derived that where is the fallacy in their matam. Afterwards he is going to refute. Therefore he is presenting the 2.5 lines, that Akhyati Matam. Then he is going to refute, he is questioning the Akhyativadi, how he can say so. First we will see the first line, Akhyati Mataritya. According to Akhyati Matam, Ayam Sarpaha iti Jnani. This is snake. This is a snake. Ayam Sarpaha Jnani. How many Jnanams are there? What he said? Ayamiti Rajvatmaka Adhisthana Samanya Amsha Pratyaksha Jnanam. Jnanam number 1. Knowledge number 1. What is this? This is a snake. Okay? This is a snake. First, what he is seeing there, actually upon the rope, he is seeing a snake. And the snake before, this is, word is there. This is a Jnanam. That Rajju Jnanam, really he do not know it is Rajju, but that Rajju is Pratyaksham or not? Is it directly he is seeing or not? Directly he is seeing. That's why Pratyaksha Jnanam. What he said, that is Samanya Amsha, general Amsha. General part of that Brahma Jnana. General part. Then Purovasthita Rajjum Drushtva. Sorry, second line. Rajvatmakam Adhishtanam Samanyamsha Pratyaksha Jnanam. What is the second Jnanam? That Purvapakshi Asat Akyativadi said, Sarpa iti tu anyatra. What he saw the snake in the snake park, he remembers now. After seeing the rope in the semi-darkness, and the semi-darkness is very important. If he sees rope as rope, he won't see snake at all. Manda Andhakara is very important. That Anyatra Purva Drishta Sarpasya. Some other place. Anyatra means some other place. Purva Drishta. Previously Purva Drishta. Sarpasya. That snake, where he saw in the snake park, that snake, now what he does? Smarana. He remembers. Why? That is snake also long. This is also, rope is also very long. It is also looking similar to that. Smaranatmaka jnanamiti sthitihi. Sthitihi means this is their position. Regarding Brahma Jnanam, this is their position. Up to here, Nischala presented the Akyativadi opinion. Now, he is going to refute. Tatra Purvadrishta Smarana Meva Angikritya. Let us accept Purvadrishta Sarpa Smarana Sarpa Jnana. remembered snake knowledge. Remembered snake knowledge. Angikritya पूर्ववर्ती रज्जौ सर्पज्ञानम सर्पज्ञान अनंगीकारे. Now you are asking Purvadrishta Sarpa Smarana he has got. Suppose Purovarti means in front. In front, the snake has to be generated. Snake has to be located on that rope. Then only you will get Brahma. That is called right Brahma. Not remembering. Remembered snake is not pratyaksham. Remembered snake is pratyaksham or paroksham? Paroksham. If you remember the Badrinath, is it pratyaksham or paroksham? You saw Badrinath long ago, now you are remembering Badrinath. Is it directly you are experiencing now or remembering? Remembering. Like that here also, Sarpajnanam Anangikare, located snake. If I don't accept located snake, but what he has got? Remembered snake. Not located, generated snake here. Puraha avasthita rajjum drushtva. He is not accepting located snake. He is accepting remembered snake. We don't say it is wrong. Akhyātivādi is not totally wrong. It's a very subtle argument. Akhyātivādi is not totally wrong. Because that previous snake experience vasana has to be triggered. It has to come within our mind. That activated vasana, he is taking it as remembered snake. What we say, that remembered snake you see here. Unless you see here, snake location, it has to be generated here. Then only Brahma really takes place. What he says, Puro avasthita rajjum drishtva purushaha vidya na palayeta. If I remembered snake, seeing that, will he run away? Na palayeta. Palayeta means he would have not ran away by seeing that remembered snake. Suppose you remember a snake, are you running? Are you running? You don't run. You are remembering the snake. Nobody will run by remembering the snake. Everybody runs only if they see their snake is located. Unless snake is not located, he will not run away. So, Akhyātivādi says, remembered snake he is seeing on the rope and he wants to run away. Nobody will run away by remembering the snake. Na palayeta rajjum drushtva. By seeing the rajju, nobody will run away. But purushaha palayate it sarva janinam. But people are running by seeing the snake in the semi-darkness. We are running away or not? Remembering the snake, nobody will run away. But we are seeing the people are running away means that is not remembered snake. Then what snake it must be? Tasmat, therefore, Purovastita Rajvameva Sarpaha, upon that rope which is in front of you, Purovastita means which is in front of that person, Rajvam eva, upon that rope alone, Sarpaha Pratyakshataya bhasate. Pratyakshataya means directly the snake is located, generated. For this person who is seeing the snake upon the rope. Pratyakshataya bhasate. That means Sakshi Pratyaksham ityartha. He is directly seeing the snake there. He is not remembering the snake park snake. Understand? Directly he is seeing bhasate iti natu bhas dhatu. appearing there. He is experiencing. Natu purvadrushta sarpa smarana matramiti cha na vacham. Na, you have to supply here. He is remembering the snake, therefore that remembered snake is superimposing. And anybody will run away. I am remembering the snake, why I have to run away? That's for it is not that. Smarana matramiti na vacham. You should not say it is remembered snake. Okay. Anyatha rajjau sarpajnanabhavena purushasya palayanadi na upapadyeta. If you don't accept that snake is located and generated, if you don't accept, there is nothing that cannot happen. The person is running away. Running of that person will not happen. A fear, frightening, seeing that snake will never occur. That type of bhayam, running will not happen. It's not possible. If you don't accept located snake, we don't say he is totally running, he is afraid of that snake, we don't accept. Na upapadyeta, it will not happen. Therefore what? Therefore I will tell you what is right way of wrong perception. என்ன ரைட் வே ஆஃப் ராங் பர்செப்ஷன் எப்படி இருக்கு? கேட்கறதுக்கே கொஞ்சம் ஜாரிங்காக இருக்குல்ல. Wrong perception, erroneous perception also must be logically you have to present. Anirvachaniya Khyati, we are going to present that. Actual Anirvachaniya Khyati topic comes later. Now how to refute this Akhyati? He is just presented very lightly. Now he is going to deeper how to refute that. Bhadajnanam baladapi rajjau sarpanubhavaha vachaha kincha rajju yadhatmya jnananantaram yadhatmya jnananantaram mama mithya sarpo rajvam abhat sarpo rajvam abhat iti badharupanubhava baladapi purushasya rajjau eva purushasya rajjaveva sarpaha swarupataha pratitihi pratitaha natu purvanubhuta sarpasmarana matra bhavaditi matram abhavaditi vaktavyam bhavati badha jnana baladapi. Badha means here negation. Badha means negation. What is badha? Not Tamil badha. Samskrita badha, Vedantic term that is. Once he puts the light, he sees the rope as rope. That is called sarpa badha. Sarpa is negated. Sarpa has gone. That is called badha here. Jnana baladapi. Baladapi means here arthapatti pramanam. Arthapatti pramanam. Because of this pramanam, arthapatti pramana ridya, sarpanubhavaha vachaha, rajjau sarpanubhavaha. Upon the rope, that sarpa anubhava happens. How it happens now? Anupapatti pramanam. Arthanupapatti pramanam ityartha. Kincha, moreover, Rajju Yadhatmya Jnanam Anantaram. Yadhatmya Jnanam, seeing the rope as rope. Yadhatmya means as it is. Atasmin Tasmin Tadbuddhihi Yadhatmya Jnanam. Tasmin Tadbuddhihi, seeing the clip as clip is Yadhatmya Jnana. As it is, you are seeing. Okay? And seeing the clip as something else is Ayathatma, not Yadhatmya Jnanam, but opposite to Yadhatmya Jnanam. Seeing something as something else. Atasmin Tadbuddhi. Therefore, Tasmin Tadbuddhi Yadhatmya Jnana. Seeing one thing as it is. Seeing things as it is. Yadhatmya Jnana Anantaram. Afterwards, after seeing the rope as rope. What he says, see within inverted commas, what he should say, that person, Mama Mithya Sarpaha Rajvamabhad. Mithya Sarpaha, that means that snake which is not there. False snake appeared to me upon the rope, he says. False snake, இல்லாத பாம்பு நான் கயிறு மேல பார்த்தேன் అని சொல்லுவான். தமிழ் கரெக்ட் தானே? இல்லாத பாம்பு, மித்யா சர்பஹா. False snake I have seen, experienced. Abhat, appeared. It has appeared. Iti badharoopanubhava baladapi purushasya. He is very, very clear now that sarpa has gone. I was seeing the snake upon the rope. Now that snake is not there. It has gone. That is called badha. Baladapi. Because of that located snake. Rajjau eva purushasya rajju eva sarpaha swarupataha pratitaha. That rajju alone, really speaking, appeared as snake for me, he says. After putting the light, full light, pratitaha, natu purvanubhuta sarpasmaranam. Not that remembered snake I have seen. I was seeing the snake upon the rope. I mistaken the rope as a snake. But he didn't say, I remembered the snake upon the rope. This is the point, very, very important, hard to catch. So not catching ball, okay. No cricket match, okay. What is that? After putting light, this person use a word, sentence, remembered snake has gone, he won't say. Correct? Falsely superimposed snake upon the rope has gone. Badha. It has gone. அப்படிதான் சொல்றான்னா இல்லைன்னு ரிமெம்பர்டு ஸ்னேக் கான்னு சொல்றான். என்ன சொல்றான்? Mistaken rope. Mistaken rope means I have missed the rope, taken it as snake. என்ன சுவாமி இந்த ரோப் ஸ்னேக்கு இவ்வளோ லெக்சரானா என்ன பண்ணுறது? இது புரிஞ்சாதான் தாஷ்டாந்தம் புரியும். அப்புறம் ஒரிஜினல். That is why all the way this Drishtanta is to drive you home to that whole world is like a sarpa. Nama Rupa Prapancha, just like sarpa, you are superimposing upon that Brahman, rope like Brahman. இது புரியலன்னா அது புரியாது. இது சும்மா இது புரியாது சுவாமினா அப்படியெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சா பத்தாது. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். எப்படின்னா once he put the light, he sees the rope as rope. Is that statement he is making that I remembered snake has gone, or Superimposed false snake has gone, which was appearing to me as a snake. Now that snake has gone. What he says? Superimposed, mistaken rope. Now it is not mistaken, now rightly taken. Okay? Now it is not mistaken, but rightly taken. Clear? If it is not clear, you have to do nididhyasana upon that. Okay, I cannot drill more than this. Okay? Because when I come to the Ashtanta, if you don't catch the point, I cannot do anything. You have to do your homework. Okay. Rajjuhu eva sarpaha. You see, Rajjuhu eva sarpaha. This rope alone is snake. When it was semi-dark. This rope alone was snake previously. Swarupataha pratitaha. Really, Swarupataha means as a substance. As a substance. As not a remembered snake. As a located, generated snake alone I saw upon the rope. அப்படிதானே உலகெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க எல்லாருமே சத்தியம் சத்தியம் சத்தியம். கௌடபாதாச்சாரிய ரூல்ட் அவுட் டக்குன்னு எல்லாம் ஒரு ட்ரீம் அப்பா, செகண்ட் ட்ரீம்னு சொல்கிறார். ஹோல் வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் எ செகண்ட் ட்ரீம். நம்ப முடியறத? இது புரிஞ்சால் அது நம்ப முடியும், இது புரிஞ்சால் அது நம்ப முடியும். எப்படி என்ன படிக்கிறோமே, we will understand that. Oh, time up. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.